Hello, and welcome back to Real Expectations. What happens when a movie gives you something fresh but doesn't quite take it all the way? Today, we're going to talk about Project Hail Mary, starring Ryan Gosling, a sci fi film with a really original concept and a clear save the earth premise. Going in, I expected something smart, emotional, and maybe even a little groundbreaking. So the question is, did it live up to that expectation or fall short? Let's get into it. One thing this movie does right immediately is the concept. It feels refreshingly new, and that alone gives it an edge over a lot of sci fi films we've been getting lately. It's not just rehashing the same ideas, it actually tries to do something different, and I respect it for that. As I watched it, I found the movie pleasant enough and easy to stay engaged with. It's the kind of film that keeps your attention without really dragging. At the same time, though, it never fully elevates itself into something great. Ryan Gosling's performance is solid. He fits the role perfectly. He carries the movie when he needs to, but there's nothing about the performance that really stands out or stays with you after the movie ends. It does work, it just doesn't hit that next level. Where the movie really lands for me is its place within the genre. This is one of the better sci fi movies I've seen lately. It's thoughtful, different, and it's clearly trying to give the audience something more than just spectacle. But here is the key: this is not going to be for everyone. The pacing, the tone, and the overall style might not connect with all audiences. Some people are going to appreciate what it's doing, and others are going to feel like it's just did not fully deliver. And I think that's why, for me, it sits right in that middle space. Good, worthwhile, but not quite great. For Project Hail Mary, I give it a B. It's a solid sci fi movie with a fresh concept and enough to keep you engaged. But it doesn't quite reach the level it feels like it's aiming for. If you've seen Project Hail Mary, let me know. Did it meet your expectations, or did you feel like it fell a little short? And if you're new here, this is Real Expectations, where we break down movies based on what we thought we'd get versus what we actually got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next review.